Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in today's video we have got a brand new video for you today. Now I haven't covered a project like this before just yet, so it's going to be the first one of its kind. It's called M2E. If you guys haven't heard of it, well, you're going to learn about what those project types are specifically with Ship2Go here today. But guys, before we get into it, if you could please smash a like, subscribe down below if you are new, and turn the notifications on so you don't miss a future video. Guys, make sure to go ahead and follow me over on Twitter at JPKDeFi so you don't miss a future tweet about what I'm doing in crypto and DeFi before it gets to YouTube. And guys, make sure to go ahead and follow me over on Twitter at JPKDeFi. I just mentioned that. Subscribe if you're new. Turn the notifications on, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Always do your research and be very careful about what you're investing in crypto and DeFi because it's the riskiest stuff in the world. Guys, check out the link in the description to the premium Discord server if that's something you're interested in. We do wallet spot giveaways, NFT giveaways. You get to see my portfolio. Yeah, we do cool shot of the week. There's a bunch of other benefits, link in the description for that. But with that being said, let's jump into it. So Ship2Go, about Ship2Go. Ship2Go is the newest and hottest move to earn project with a dynamic Web3 fitness application already in development. Holders will soon be able to earn tokens simply by walking, jogging, running, and generally exercising. Whether you're a fitness freak or just a beginner, now is the time to start your journey to better financial and physical health. Thanks to how this project has been meticulously put together, you can now earn while you burn calories. Ship2Go is set to claim a huge slice of the emerging fitness-based market by combining two of the most powerful forces on Earth in the power of the meme and power of movement. Thought that the Shiba name was amazing. Meme was amazing. Wait until you hear that the Inu doing Bulgarian split squats. The grassroots story differentiates Ship2Go from competitors. The dedication shown so far will facilitate the project in capturing a sizable chunk of the move to earn market. Given that some of such projects already find themselves at several billion market cap valuation, the room for Ship2Go's explosive growth upwards is limitless. Okay, Ship2Go's utility: earn while you move. In spite of the macro market's current uncertainty, a wave of innovative movement and exercise-focused cryptocurrency projects have been performing exponentially. Ship2Go is here to not only take part in this industry, it's here to take over. The founder and team that are both exercise junkies and well-versed in the blockchain space. This is a match made in heaven. Sweat will be spilled, gains will be made, and lives will be changed. While other successful move-to-earn projects rely on VC funds, Ship2Go will piggyback this momentum, build an even more invigorated community, and take this further than anyone could ever imagine. Picture an Iron Man to the moon. This is where we are going together as a community of go-getters and do-gooders. Ship2Go's primary developer has immense experience and has delivered a deep 7-figure market cap project in recent times. How does it work? Although the Ship2Go team is yet to fully reveal the intricate inner workings of the upcoming move to earn ecosystem, but some of the details have been released. So pretty much how it works, guys, is you move, you get paid in SHIB. That's very simple, okay? You walk, you run, you exercise, you burn calories, you get to earn tokens for doing so. So essentially it's a miner. Let's think of it as a miner, but you actually have to work to get that, to get the returns. The miner is your body moving essentially, and that's what churns out the tokens. So it's a pretty interesting concept. There's one on Solana. There's a pretty big one on Solana. I'm not too sure the name of it. I can't quite remember, but you have to buy an NFT. Every time you move, you get paid in tokens. And I know a lot of people that have made a lot of money by doing their run. For example, you're training for a marathon or whatever it is, right? You're in the gym. Imagine going to the gym, earning $100 while you're in the gym. It's insane, right? I don't know the payouts. I'm sure there's going to be more details on that very soon about terms of payouts and how it works in terms of, yeah, like the rates, how many calories you need to burn or how many tokens per calorie kind of thing that you get, sort of thing. So here's some information about how it will work. Users log onto the platform with future released NFTs, connect to wearable device or phone, record movement-based activity, and earn experience points, which they can then be converted to rewards. The Ship2Go app users must put in initial capital investment to begin collecting rewards. This will happen via avatar breeding events. In several move-to-earn projects, users have to mint sneaker NFTs, which come in several different tiers to start receiving rewards for the kilometers. For Ship2Go, there'll be avatars ready to mint. Sneak peeks are shown below. A range of accessories such as Fitbits and headbands, along with the tiers of these attributes, will be available, which impacts how much the Ship2Go avatar can yield per KM. Augmented reality is a technology that lets people superimpose digital visual elements, sounds, or any other sensory stimuli over the physical real world. A well-known example of this is Pokemon Go. The Ship2Go team has a partnership with developers in the GameFi field that have expertise in developing applications that include AR. The Ship2Go app will include AR elements in creating a more immersive and interactive experience for the community. Pretty cool. I do like the logo here. It's actually pretty cool. Okay, here's a team originated from a simple idea. The founder, Crypto Beeman, Beeman, seen above, is a big grinder as they come. It is his vision to grind alongside the Ship2Go community to form an unbreakable bond that very few people are ever lucky to experience. And you guys can go see that. They are KYC'd here as well. Here's the tokenomics, so total supply there of active tokens, max buys 1 million active, max sales 500,000 active, and with a maximum wallet amount of 1 million tokens. 5% of total transaction tax. 5% tax is pretty fine. 5% goes to the marketing and development pool, and then 1% goes to the liquidity pool. There's a total supply there as well. And here's the roadmap. So you got smart contract testing, Telegram, website, CoinMarketCap, light paper, blah blah blah. You guys can watch all of this here. They've got battle and PvP, battle and PvE, partner of gyms and studios, and much more. So they are actually building an entire ecosystem, an entire sort of project around this. So check out the legal disclaimer. I'm not going to read over that, but you guys definitely should go ahead and read over that legal disclaimer before going any further. Twitter, they have about 985 followers. They're fairly active on here, trying to build up a nice community, and I do like what they're tweeting. They have they had an AMA out yesterday, and yeah, just some pretty cool stuff going on with these guys. I'm looking forward to seeing this token launch. They've got about 1,000 members, looking forward to the app and project launch. 1,000 members over on Telegram, and they have about $240,000 of liquidity over on PancakeSwap, and you can see this is the current price. Yeah, you know, this token launched, and you can invest in the token right now. They launched on the 26th of April, and they pumped up all the way to 3 cents. Now they're kind of stabilizing at around half a cent here. So the token has started to stabilize off again, which is actually good to see. You know, one thing that we don't want to see, especially with these tokens, because once this ecosystem comes out, I'm sure there's going to be, once the actual project does launch and people are earning, I'm sure there's going to be a lot of sell pressure just because of the nature of the project and how it works. So it's good that people are able to invest in this right now, get some liquidity, and it's also good to see that the token is stabilizing, because what we don't want to happen is we don't want it to rocket up, really pump, you know, super high, and then as soon as it comes out, it's going to start to dump. So if they can kind of stable things off, that sell tax will help, of course, but if they can kind of stable things and the token price can stabilize like it has done here, then of course that would be, you know, that's ideal, right? And it looks like they have managed to do that, so good to see there. But guys, that's really going to be it for the video. If you enjoyed, make sure you smash the like, subscribe down below if you are new, and turn the notifications on so you don't miss a future video. Make sure to go ahead and follow me over on Twitter, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you on my next video. Peace.